Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone,
Dear Mirs Nurul Hasana FMPD, as an English lecturer, allow us as the effective coping group to introduce ourselves. I am Putri Nabila with the student ID number 2720230044.
I'm Nandini with the student ID number 2720230060.
I am Shakira Novianda with student ID number 2720230100.
Today we will be showing a video demonstrating effective coping. Enjoy for the watching.
Good morning, Miss Putri.
Morning, nurse.
How are you breathing today?
Still feeling short of breath and coughing, nurse. The phlegm is hard to get out.
Okay, Miss. Today I'm going to help you practice effective coughing technique to help the phlegm come out more easily. This is important to help clear your lungs.
Isn't a normal cough enough, nurse?
A normal cough is often not strong enough, especially if you're feeling weak. An effective cough helps expel mucus without exerting you. Let's try together.
I'm ready, nurse.
First, sit up straight. Now, take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Then exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's repeat this 3 times. Good, Miss. Now take another deep breath. Hold it. Then cough forcefully from your stomach. You can press on your stomach with a small pillow. Okay.
Alhamdulillah, thanks, nurse. The mucus has come out. It feels better now.
Can I help you at home, nurse?
Sure, Miss. Make sure you're sitting up straight and remind her to inhale, hold her breath, and cough forcefully from the stomach. If your health difficult, help support her stomach with a pillow like that.
Thank you, nurse. It's more comfortable and less trying to cough.
You're welcome, Miss Putri. We'll do this regularly to prevent phlegm from building up and improve your breathing.
That's all from our group. We apologize for anything less.
Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye all.